Please subscribe to Sugilanon channel. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
Subscribe to
Sugilanon.
Sugilanon channel. Subscribe to Sugilanon channel.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Sir, to our very own secondary school principal, Ma'am Mercedes Abarquez, ma'am. To our guest speaker for today's ceremony, Mr. John Paul Rosario. Hi, sir. Parents, relatives, teachers, a blessed afternoon to each and everyone. Today, we stand at the pinnacle of our high school journey. A moment that marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. As I stand before this incredible batch, I am filled with immense pride and gratitude for all the experiences at National High School. High school has been a whirlwind of challenges, growth, and even triumphs. So to my fellow graduates, do you agree that our high school journey is not easy? Yes or no? Yes. Every moment as confident seniors, we have been through it all together. We navigated the hallways. We found our class. We have celebrated victories on sports field. Whether it was a hard-fought basketball game or even a triumphant volleyball match, where the cheers of our classmates echoed in our ears, filling us with pride and joy. We've engaged in spirited debates and classrooms, where our minds were sharpened by the exchange of ideas and our perspectives were broadened by the diversity of thoughts. We helping each other understand complex subjects and preparing for exams that seem to define our future. So personally, I would say that my time at Cagayan National High School, as many of you can relate, it is a roller coaster of emotions. Maraming debate, maraming nagto, pwede man ito mag-study pagkagabi, pero mag-study, mag-abot mo sa... I guess it's part of our high school life, am I right? But we have to understand the fact that in college, it will be culture shock. Now, about the world and our place in it. We've built relationships that have taught us the true meaning of friendships, standing by each other in times of need and celebrating each other's successes. So in this ceremony, mga isuano, we are very much grateful that our time at Cagayan National High School has been more than just about academics. We are not just here because we wanted to gain medals, we wanted to gain certificates, but more than that, we are actually here because we have made new friends and acquaintances. Ayun sa umaga, nagsubo sila, may nabagsak sila, pero pagkabalo din ang ilang amigo nabagsak, nalipay. You see how beautiful it is to have a friendship, no? To have a friendship in your own classroom, in your own campus. Bay, bagsak ko bay, 75 ako sa physics, buula na ko Ako man sa bay, ibagsak ko, hapit ang duha. So you see mga iso, it is very important kaya in school, you are not an island. We have acquaintances, and those people in our life, they do not help us bypass the process, but they actually help us make themselves. Mobile na natin academic strand, na ay STEM, na ay ABM, na ay TVL, na ay UMS, because the Department of Education understood that kita mga students, we are designed differently. Sa ito ba ko? Nain mga ito mga judges at panahon nga. Kahit ako lang, hindi ko ka makuduwing. Pero kabalo ko sa math, kabalo ko sa science. Pero ibutan ko sa UMS, mga subject, isa na ko kaya. So you see, no, we are all unique. It doesn't mean that you belong to that kind of strand, then you are less as a graduate. Diba? For the past few years, there has been a stereotyping na pag-STEM, STEM na sila, pag-ilaw na mga ABM no one is less and no one is greater. We are all equal. In fact, hinahin na ito, major subjects. Now, We've developed into the individuals we are today, shaped by the experiences we've had and the people we have met along the way. We have learned the value of hard work at mga poster, but they are part of the requirement. Ano ito na ganay na basa? Ba't na ganay na hindi pa maraming? So sana na ako nato. Promise, nag-graduate ka. Sakto ba ko? Yes. Now, small acts. So narin ChatGPT, isa lang ka. Create an essay, 500 words. Boom, gawas. Pero di makikita niyo, ayaw kung sa lisod na sa ChatGPT ka lang. Ang gamit tama, samot yung katanga. Di ba, create an essay. Gawas na rin sa algorithm sa ChatGPT. Okay, here's the 500-word essay. Blah, 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 blah. Hikumpya sa dayon sa papit. Hindi na plagiarism. Mo ba rin ako? O ka nang makuha ka lang sa internet. Di tama? Pahalata. Now, a lot of teachers, thank you very much for your dedication, patience, and unwavering support. You have been our mentors and our guides, always there to answer our questions, to challenge us to think critically, and to encourage us to reach for the stars. You have believed in us even we have doubted ourselves, and you have pushed us to become the best version of ourselves. Your passion for teaching and your commitment to our growth have left an indelible mark on our lives, and we are forever grateful for your guidance and wisdom. So sa tanang teachers na nakakaroon din sa atong mga nagpapahan ng mga teachers, nagkabaka ng mga teachers, mga magistro o magistra. So, I just want to give a special thanks to my three teachers from grade 7 to grade 12. Sa grade 7 na si Ma'am Joyful Umamba, sa grade 8 na si Sir Jex Dinante, sa grade 9 teacher na po na si Ma'am Johnny Butal, sa grade 10 si Sir Albert Palumidio, kay Sir Opo, kita niyo Sir. Sa grade 11 advisor, si Ma'am Donna Ganas, o sa akong grade 12 advisor na may pinakabata sa ilang tanan, si Sir Dino Pitero. Nagmarami siya sa ako, kapag 96 daw ako sa inyo pag na percentile, na dapat kinintos niya. Yan kay 95 naman, madala pa niya bang yun niya. Okay, so, all throughout my academic journey, I have always been grateful that I was mentored by brilliant, intelligent teachers. Without those teachers, walang tapanan diri. They are our pillars. They are the reason na makagraduate ang awang panahon na. Wala takabalo akong average 95 gram, wala takabalo akong average 94. Pero anang maestro, buutan ko lang yung bata, 95 na ako ni. Sometimes, mahit na to atong teacher may karagan, hindi napabuhat ng imamoy, pero hindi napabuhat. Masulat diri, masulat na to, arabel na to, poster diri, poster na to. Pag hinuplitik-plikan kung sa kabaran diha, but you have to understand that it's their job. And we as students, we are committed and we are obliged to submit into their teachings. Sakto ba ko? Ito, ako rin nakapagod once. Nagi sa mag-note din sa messenger, kapuya ko rin. So, hindi lang mo si sir sa akong chat, ikapoy ko rin mo isto sa guys in the space. Diba? So, our teachers, just like any other teacher, no teacher is perfect. No? May panahon na nasubo sila ng sila, wala ng flash, nanuli ng pasok sa loob. Pagkingalan lang ito ka masubo na tayo, so nakapasok ka. Nabi mga teachers na grabe maka-encourage. Sigurado kaya nakikay mo na. Di ba na ilanan? Dinabi mga teachers na, barkada na nato ato kabinuang. But you have to understand na kitang tanan, wala kang katungan pa sa bukas na ilang nakaon. Sakto ako? Wala ba kang kalingkingan sa kung sa ilang na-achieve? Una nga, kitang tanan sa Dakara National, we have to be grateful sa tanan ng mga teachers na nakakita. Not because dato kagrado, but because nakakita tanan diri karon. So gusto ko makita tanan, mingang tao, salamat kayo, ma'am o sir. 1, 2, 3, go!
Salamat kayo, ma'am o sir.
Diba? O wala sila, o gibagsak kanina, wala yung pumasok diri karon adlaw. Sakto ba ko? Now, so, from the bottom of my heart, and also kay Sir Dino, bitaw ang ilang maestro. Sir, salamat kaayo for not being just an advisor, but also for being a father. No? So, as many of you might know, special mention ako sa Sir Dino. Okay, dapat po ito, mas stricto daw kay Sir Dino. Actually, yes, stricto din siya. But when you come to know him closer, na mura lagi mo siya papay. Diba? So I could still remember the time na hindi ko gusto matuog Cagayan, bitaw. Namin contest doon sa Cagayan. Ako ang represent sa bukid noon. Di ko mautungan. Na, masaba si Sardino. Pero di ko mautungan rin. Tuwi, makalaw ka ito, maunin mo na, etc. Diba? Dito na ako pinapukos ko ni Sir. Dino. Pero, giwagi ka sa diya, ipadala sa kanya ang 800 na allowance. Diba? Bawi ka sa kanya. Ipadala ko yung 300 na loan o 500 na allowance sa inyong Cagayan. O, tunga, nakadaog ang bukid nun. Muna nga, yes, that's me. Joke. So, it was because of Sir Dino's persuasion sa ako Mag-joy ko know this very well, lipat-lipat na ako. Mag-dili na yung gawin ko, kapoy na kayo. Ikaw gawin. Magbiyahin mo na kasang sa iyo, mabarag-barag pa kayo Cagayan. Mag-whiskey din ka lang ito. Hindi mong kalaban, Amigin, Cagayan, El Salvador, di ka ka makuyakan ka na. Kaya na, bitaw, so mag-anticipate ka kapoy ba? Anyway, but then as I come to remember na, pili ko mga ato, wala ko kung sa isang Dino. So, many victories of our life, isa ito kinabuhi, are a product of a hardworking, persuasive, and inspiring teacher. So to all the teachers of the Cagayan National High School, salamat kayo mga sir, hindi na sa pagkata-grado, but for welcoming us into your lives. O tanan ng mga success sa kinabuhi and everything in between, you are already a part of it. So let's give them a round of applause. Karon sa ato mga ginikanan na nagkasilot na lang tungod sa grabe na kaigan sa atong gym. Now, I want to thank all the parents for their endless encouragement and sacrifices. You have been our pillars of strength and our sounding boards and our biggest cheerleaders. From early morning wake-ups to late night homework sessions, you have been there every step of the way, providing us with the support, financial. Salamat kaayo sa inyong pagdawat, salamat kaayo sa inyong paghigugma, ug salamat sa inyong pagpasikot karong adlaw para matapunan ang graduation ng tanan. Let's clap our hands for them, guys. Okay? Sa akong mga fellow graduates, sa akong mga classmates, sa grade 12 Pythagoras, wala na ikibuhan kung di sumuko ko, malagong kapay ko, murag mataputi sa nila. So, to my fellow graduates, I want to say congratulations. We've reached this milestone together, and it is a testament to our hard work, determination, and resilience. But let us remember that this is just the beginning. So remember, it's not what the game changers of our family. We are not just students, we're not just graduates, but we are human beings with a specific purpose, and that is to make a change in the world we are living in. Let us use our knowledge, our talents, and our hearts to build a better world. And as we move forward, let us never forget where we came from and the people who have supported us along the way. The Cagayan National High School will always be a part of who I am, of who we are, and it is the foundation upon which we build our futures. So before I end my speech, I would like to leave a quote that was given by Tony Gonzaga. She said that sometimes God will destroy our plans when He sees that our plans are gonna destroy us. Diba? It's a beautiful reminder na even in times of makita rejections, but we come to realize that those rejections are actually encourage everyone na life is not life without trials and challenges. Along the way, dili mo lang yung narisod sa atong kalagyan, there will still be a lot of homework, a lot of challenges, a lot of new experiences. But what's beautiful is that we have been prepared already. And that's the beauty of coming here to this semester exercise. And I personally believe na kitang tanan we are more than just achievers. We are more than just mga awardees. We are dreamers. So, ganun salamat kayong tanan. And I would like to say na congratulations batch of 2023-2024. Tanan ng mga paghago, tanan ng mga simot, tanan ng mga paghilak, it was all worth it after all. Again, this is John Navarro Ginita. A blessed afternoon and God bless us all.